Hey guys, I am gonna do another start to finish furniture flipping video. Today I have a pair of nightstands. I got them on Facebook Marketplace. I bought them for $20 each. I'll go ahead and show you those really quick. So these are the nightstands that I picked up for $20. $20 for both of them. They are really cute. I love the design and size of them. They are all wood. They just need to be cleaned really well. I think I'm going to do a light green with gold hardware. I think that will be really pretty. So let's clean them up really, really good, and then let's start painting. Alright, so now I have cleaned and prepped my nightstands and my drawers. I cleaned the inside of those as well. I decided I'm going to use Olive Grove by Magnolia Home Paint. So I'm going to use Magnolia Home Paint in the color Olive Grove. I decided I wanted to use this color because I really like the hardware pieces, and I think that this green and this gold will look really, really pretty together. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 to 3 coats on the nightstands with this olive green, and we will see how we like it. So I am pregnant, and my husband was kind enough to spray paint my hardware for me. So that's what it looks like, and we're gonna go ahead and put them back on now. This is what the nightstands look like after 3 coats of paint. I don't know yet if I'm gonna do white dry brushing. I have to see what the hardware is gonna look like on. And then I will decide what I wanna do. So let's go ahead and put the hardware on. Okay, I just wanted to give a little update. I went ahead and it's so hot where I live. So it was pretty late at night. I went ahead and added a coat of my Valspar Sealing Wax. It's my favorite. I use it on everything, to the top. And then I didn't like how even with the drawers really cleaned out, you could still see some stains. So I went ahead and got some of my craft paper that I already had, and I went ahead and just lined the drawers so that it looks nicer. So these are actually already sold. They sold the day after I listed them, and she's coming to pick them up in about an hour. I listed them for $180, and she asked if I would do $150, and I said yes. So she's already Venmo'd me, and these sold pretty quick, so I'm excited. Let me know if you enjoyed this start to finish video. If you have any questions, let me know. Yeah, thank you for watching.